In this video, we're going to show you how to connect a button to another page in Framer. Linking buttons is a fundamental step in creating interactive, navigatable websites. Start by selecting the button layer on your canvas. In the right-hand property panel, click the plus sign next to Link. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want the button to navigate to. Your button is now linked directly to that page. You can also link buttons to external URLs. In the same link menu, paste a full URL like https://google.com, and the button will open that site instead. For more advanced interactions, you can create scroll links. Select the button, choose the page, and then pick a specific scroll section within that page. This is perfect for one-page websites where you want users to jump to particular sections smoothly. If you're using button components, you can set up link variables so different instances of the same button can navigate to different pages. A quick tip for troubleshooting: make sure the link is applied to the parent button frame, not just the text inside it, and avoid placing links inside nested elements to prevent conflicts. By following these steps, you can create smooth navigation throughout your Framer site and make your buttons fully functional and interactive.